Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your home for everything Linux and AI. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Ubuntu Linux inside Windows 11 using VirtualBox step by step. No technical experience needed. We'll download and install VirtualBox, get the Ubuntu ISO file, create a virtual machine, boot Ubuntu, and even enable full screen mode. Whether you're an AI developer, an ethical hacker, or just exploring Linux for the first time, this video is for you. So, grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's begin our Ubuntu journey inside Windows 11. First, open your browser and go to virtualbox.org. Click on Downloads and choose your operating system. Once downloaded, open the setup file and install VirtualBox just like any other software. Next, we need the Ubuntu ISO file. Visit ubuntu.com/download/desktop. Choose the latest version, like Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and click Download. Now, open VirtualBox and click New. Name your machine Ubuntu Linux. Choose Type Linux, version Ubuntu 64-bit, and click Next. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores for smooth performance. Then, create a virtual hard disk, 25 GB or more. Now go to Settings, Storage. Click on the empty disk icon and choose the downloaded Ubuntu ISO file. Click OK, and then Start to boot your virtual machine. Ubuntu will start the installer. Choose your language, keyboard layout, and click Install Ubuntu. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Ubuntu inside VirtualBox. Remove the ISO from Devices, Optical Drives. Remove disk from Virtual Drive. Then restart. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Linux plus AI tutorials, and comment what you want next. Maybe installing Kali Linux or connecting AI tools like Ollama on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.